Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Home for device control, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't downloaded it yet, visit your device's app store and search for Google Home. Once the app is open, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, tap on Create Account and follow the prompts. After signing in, you'll see the main dashboard. Locate and tap on the plus icon in the top left corner to add a device. Select Setup Device from the menu that appears. You will then see two options, New Devices and Works with Google. Choose New Devices to start setting up device. Select the home in which you want to add the device, or create a new home if needed. Once that's done, the app will begin searching for nearby devices. Make sure your device is powered on and in setup mode. When your device appears on the screen, tap on it to connect. Follow any prompts that appear on the app to link your device with Google Home. You may need to enter specific credentials if prompted. Once connected, customize the device settings as prompted in the app. After completing setup, you will receive a confirmation that your device is successfully linked. You can now assign a room for better organization within the app. Tap on Done to finalize the setup process. Your device is now registered with Google Home for voice control. Test the connection by using a specific command for your device. For example, say "Hey Google, turn on device name." If everything is set up correctly, your device should respond to the command. Repeat these steps for any additional devices you want to add. Make sure to explore various functionalities available for your devices through the Google Home app. This setup allows for seamless integration into your smart home ecosystem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.